Right now, people are paying hundreds of dollars per month to use Claude Code. What if I told you you can run Claude Code locally, completely free, no API key, in just one line command? And no, this isn't another Ollama 20-step tutorial. If you search YouTube right now, you'll find multiple videos showing how to install Claude Code using Ollama. But all of them require multiple steps, installing Ollama, pulling models, configuring environments, and whatnot. So I built one line installer that do everything automatically. You don't need to worry about anything. You just need to run this command and it will do everything automatically. To begin with, let's head over to this GitHub repository. And here I've created a very nice documented README, which you can go through and even troubleshoot yourself. First, go and give a start to this repository. It really motivates to create such more useful programs. I'll just copy this one line command and paste into my terminal. And that's it. It will do everything. It may ask you to put your password so that it can create some supporting directories. So just go ahead and put your password. And that's it. It will start running everything. And now you'll see Ollama automatically started. For now, keep this Ollama running. Do not close or do not change any setting. This may break ongoing process. So I'll just keep in the background. And we can see it started fetching GPT-OSS model. It will take some time, depends on your internet speed. And don't worry, if it gets interrupted, you can run the same command and it will resume from there only. I'll get back when download gets completed. I'm back. And now you can see GPT-OSS model and our Claude Code has been installed successfully. There's no any other command or any configuration you need to do because all heavy lifting has been done by that one-liner installer. There's just one small setting which we need to do it on our Ollama. So let's go to Ollama and then go to settings. And we just need to adjust our context length, either 32K or 64K. And that's it. Now let's run our Claude Code. So first let me create one directory. And then run your Claude Code with this command. And for the first time, you need to configure something. So we'll choose our GPT-OSS because this is what we have installed. And yes, I trust this folder. And that's it. You can see our Claude Code running completely locally. No API key required and 100% free. Why this matters? For student, indie developer, or open source contributors, this removes major barriers. You don't need enterprise pricing to experiment with AI. Now let's be honest, GPT-OSS 20b is not Opus 4.6. You won't get same reasoning depth, but for most coding tasks such as scaffolding, refactoring, or CLI workflow, it's more than enough. If this saved you hundreds of dollars this month, considering subscribing. And if you find any difficulties or face any error, you can just comment. I'll be happy to help you. Till then, happy coding.